Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and this is a process video of the travel album that I'm gonna add to the mix of projects. Like, I don't have enough projects going on. I always like to add more so I can complicate my life. So I did the cover for this album, I think last month, using actually, no, it was like 2 months ago, using the Citrus Twist Kids products. I finally got the album that I showed in one of my hauls from scrapbook.com, I think the very last one. And I'm gonna use the Common Ground kit from Studio Calico. And this is behind the cover where I added the map of the zoo that I have to print. They didn't have maps there. They're trying to go a little bit more green, which is perfectly fine because most people don't put them in an album like I do, and it makes absolute sense. And then you can print it like I did. And this is just pictures of us driving from Maryland to Philadelphia, because this album I'm gonna document a trip to Philadelphia, and from Philadelphia we're gonna go to New York for Legoland pictures. And I'm excited because I also work on that too. I'm gonna use the same format that I use, sorry about that, that I use for my project life and for the Disney album. I have all the pictures in this album. That's why it was so important for me to get an album, so I could put all the photos inside, and once I have those photos I can start working in this album. And I love all the photos that I took. I am so happy to be making this album because the photos are so cute. We had some special days in this, basically a weekend. And this is just the part where we were in the car on our way to Philadelphia. And I'm going to use the stamp set for this month to write Maryland and then Philadelphia. And in the middle, I'm going to stamp here and there, which is one of the stamp kit's sentiments. I love it because it has a alphabet on top, and then on the bottom it has a bunch of sentiments with a little block that you can use to stamp behind the little boxes. And I was trying to use different colors, but it didn't really make a big difference. The A somehow was a little bit darker, but you can see there's a slight difference that you can tell that they're different colors. And here I just used black so it would pop against the green and the blue. And I'm also going to use these stamps from the Documenter kit, and I love this star stamp. I'm gonna use that everywhere. I love it. But I love the stamp set from this month, and I really love the packaging of this month. Now, instead of doing a zipper pouch, they are doing a cut apart sort of chipboard piece. And this month is a bunch of words that they're perfect for fall, but they're also perfect for regular days, and I love it. I am gonna cut that so many times. And here I just wanted to add something else. I'm gonna add cool story. I love how I knew that I was going to use this ticket card for a title card, and I love how it turned out. This is a picture of my family. You have to park your car somewhere else and then walk to the zoo. So on the way there, it was fall, it was beautiful, it was a great day. It was cool enough so the animals weren't miserable and they were out. And we even saw a red panda walking through the tunnels. One of the cool things about the Philadelphia Zoo, if you haven't been there, is that they have these tunnels and the animals go through these tunnels and you can see them while you're walking around the zoo. It's pretty cool. And I absolutely love the alphas. They came in the Documenter kit and also the Traveler's Notebook kit. And I'm very excited to have them both because I'm going to use all of those alphas. The stamp set from the Traveler's Notebook kit was pretty good too. And on top of Philadelphia Zoo, I use the phrase happy place and then little details. And I don't know what's with the kit that inspired me to use this golden ink so much. I used it in the first spread I made with the kit, and then I had to keep going. And I love these tickets. I love tickets in general, but I think that when it's something to a place that you go where you have to like pay an entrance, it's like a little extra special. And the sun, that is not filtered. That's how the sun was hitting that day. It was just so beautiful. It was a great fall day, and I have so many fall photos also because there were a bunch of trees and they were like red and orange, and honestly the photos of this album are super cute, are so bright but also like very fall inspired. And this is just going to be a filler card, and I'm gonna layer a few elements of the kit, like these circle stickers from the Traveler's Notebook kit, and then the little circles from the Documenter kit. And I love those. As you can see, I use almost all of them, and my idea is to, once I'm done with the stickers, to use the sheet on a blank piece of paper and maybe put things in the middle, like either stickers or just stamp something behind it. It could be a photo too. We'll see when it happens. And I'm going to use this card to add my journaling, and I like to use a small point to write my journaling, and I use the 02 monodrawing pen from Tombow. And I felt like it needed a little something at the top, so I'm going to add more stamping. And this mustard was my favorite ink pad to use with this kit. It goes perfect with it. Every month when they share, or every time they share a kit, they always share inks that work with the kit, and I really love that. And I wanted to use that circle chipboard, but it was going to be a little too big. So I'm going to use it, but I'm going to end up cutting it a little bit at the bottom. I just wanted to layer either a little bit more stamping or stickers, and I love this faux washi tape from one of the new stamp sets. That it's another element that I'm gonna use a lot, and this is supposed to be part of a flower, that blue that I use, but it just looks like a cool background shape. And it's a very simple process video. I have the map. I planned to embellish it, but then I decided against it. And this is basically the cover photo for the Philadelphia Zoo part of this album. I hope you enjoyed this video and this new project. If you have like a travel album or a 9x12 album, it probably give you some ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.